All right, guys, before we start the way we normally start, I want to do a quick review of yesterday to make sure we're all on the same page. So everyone turn yourselves to the front. It's been amazing. I think coming in, I learned about building thinking classrooms, which is what you guys saw in the classroom today. It is a model of teaching where students are at the boards in groups of 3, and they're working through problems themselves. So it's really teaching students how to think and how to critically think and how to problem solve. And so they kind of go through the lesson themselves and figure things out on their own for the most part, and then we formalize it later so that instead of just memorizing and repeating what we're saying, they actually understand like the full concept and can apply it to things later. When you guys were at your boards, what was every equation set equal to? 0. Okay, the reason they were all set equal to 0 is because we were solving for the zeros of the graph. I think it really sets them up for later in life better, because instead of just memorizing and forgetting and having to relearn it, they're really understanding the foundational skills and they're learning how to critically think. So when they get out of high school, they have those skills to be able to problem solve and critically think. So any problem that can arise, or when they see problems on the ACT they've never seen before, they know how to think through the problems on their own and figure things out. All right, what's 1 minus 1?
0.
What's 0 times anything? I think building relationships should always come first, and I've always thought that. But then I think the teaching the critically thinking and the problem solving is just super important, and it just sets them up for success later. So it kind of all melts together. I think the biggest thing I've seen this year is a lot of kids who have struggled with math in the past are being successful this year. So for example, today I handed a test back to a kid and she got 101% on it, and she almost started crying because she had never got an A on a test before. So it's just those kind of things that are special this year, I think. We're all about the students and making them successful. So I would say, come and teach here.